If you are a Nigerian teacher and you are thinking about migrating to Canada, this video will help you understand the real process without confusion or agents. Many people believe you need a job offer or connection to move to Canada, but that is not true. There is a legal process that is designed for skilled workers, including teachers. Canada currently has a shortage of teachers because many educators are retiring and the population is growing. This makes teacher valuable under the Canadian immigration system. Now, let's talk about the pathway Nigeria teachers can use to migrate to Canada. The first and the most common pathway is called express entry. Express Entry is Canada's main online system for selecting skilled workers. It is not a visa and it is not a job offer. It is simply the system Canada uses to choose people who can become permanent residents. Inside Express Entry, candidates are ranked using a point system called the Comprehensive Ranking System, also known as CRS. This system awards points based on your age, education, English ability, your work experience, and other factors. The higher your CRS score, the better your chances of being invited. Before you can enter Express Entry, Canada needs to confirm that your Nigeria education meets Canadian standard. This process is called Educational Credential Assessment. And one of the approved organizations that does this is called the World Education Service, also known as WEST. So, another important requirement is English language ability. Canada accepts a test called the IELTS, which stands for International English Language Testing System. For immigration, you must take IELTS general training, not the academic. A lot of people make that mistake. They take the academic. You need the general training for you to be considered for the Canadian immigration. So your scores are measured using Canadian own standard called the Canadian Learning Benchmark or the CLB. Once your education assessment and your IELTS results are ready, you can create your express entry profile online and you will enter the candidate pool. Canada conducts regular draw and invites candidates with high CRS scores to apply for permanent residence. Apart from express entry, there's another powerful option that is called the Provincial Nominee Program, which is the PNP. Through this program, Canadian provinces can nominate teachers directly. A provincial nomination adds 600 points to your CRS score, which almost guarantees an invitation. So many Nigerians thinks they must, they think they must get a Canadian teaching license before migrating. But this is not true. Immigration comes first. Teaching certification is done after you become a permanent resident, and it depends on the province you choose. One common mistake Nigeria make is taking the wrong IELTS test or relying on unlicensed agents. Always use official Canadian government website and verified organization. This video is for education purpose only, and you should always confirm information from official sources. If you are a teacher and this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment the word teacher below. In the next video, I will explain an IELTS study plan designed specifically for Nigeria.